In this video, we are going to learn how to extend the lines of group headers. So for example, I would like bi-weekly and all the frequencies to have their own complete line. Let's close this preview window. First, let's select the group, extend it. Okay, select your item. We can remove the underline. Scroll down and select draw, and from here select the line object. Draw your line just below. I missed it. Let me just undo this, and again select the line object and just draw it below. Okay, and you can extend it till however you want. Okay, click on select tool as well, click on group header and make it stretched is equal to true. This means that all the bottom space that we have will not be counted. We save it, preview it, and we have much better looking report from my perspective. I know they still look ugly. Thank you.